Hello everyone, I'm Debashree, a disability professional. We often hesitate to interact with a person with disability. So today I'm going to talk about 9 most important disability etiquettes, which means what are the do's and don'ts when you meet or communicate with a person who has some form of disability. So let's get started. Number 1, ask before you provide assistance. If you see a person with disability struggling and you want to help, that's great. But always ask before offering your assistance. If the person says no, respect their wishes. Number 2, speak to the person directly, not to the person accompanying them. People with disability often use attendants, interpreters, or other support staff. Always look at and speak directly to the person with a disability and not their attendant, interpreter, or other person accompanying them. Number 3, language. Avoid using terms like handicapped, wheelchair bound, victim, sufferer, as well as phrases such as differently abled, special needs when referring the person. Some words and phrases are offensive to many people with disability and are also outdated. Always use a person first approach. Means person with disability, person with vision impairment, person with locomotor disability, where the person comes first and then disability. And this is also approved by the UNCRPD, which is the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Supporting a person with vision impairment. While supporting a person with vision impairment, offer your arm or shoulder rather than grabbing or pushing the individual. Number 5, meeting with a person with vision impairment. When meeting a person with severe loss of vision, always identify yourself and introduce anyone else who might be present. Number 6, gaining the attention of a deaf person. To gain attention of a deaf person, tap on his or her shoulder gently. Number 7, communicating with a person with speech difficulties. For any person with speech difficulty, if you do not understand what the person is saying, politely ask them to repeat it. Then repeat it back to ensure you understood correctly. Do not speak for the person or attempt to finish their sentences. Number 8, when talking with a person with mental disability, speak simply, not loudly. Number 9, when talking with a person using a wheelchair, do not lean on the wheelchair. Lastly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Worrying too much about interacting appropriately can sometimes hinder the development of bonding and gaining experience. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Ask if there is a better way to communicate or perform. Hope this video helps improve your socializing skills with people with disability. If you know any other disability etiquettes, please share them in the comment section. Thank you for watching.